Hi everyone, this is Jessica, and I'm going to show you how you can use Snap and Read when completing some of your assignments in Google Classroom. So here I am as the student in my classroom, and I see my teacher has posted a new assignment. All right, so it's due tomorrow. It's asking me to read the text and answer the questions at the bottom of the worksheet, and it's giving me some additional instructions about how to use the PDF annotation in Snap and Read. So it's saying I have to open PDF and Snap and Read to use the tools. Then I'm going to click the save icon and save to Google Drive, and then come back to this classroom to turn it in. All right, so the first thing I need to do is open up this worksheet over here. All right, so here's my worksheet, and I'm going to turn on Snap and Read. There it is. Now remember, Snap and Read can help me read the text here as well. So if I'm having some difficulties, I have that screenshot reader. I also have my text-to-speech tools. So let's pretend I've already read this worksheet. I'm ready to answer my questions. But if I try to click into these lines, it's not really letting me do much. So what I need to do is go back up to the very, very top of my Chrome browser where I see my extensions, where I turn Snap and Read on. So I'm going to click on that icon again, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it says Open PDF and Snap and Read. So it's going to open the PDF in a new tab. And there's my worksheet. Again, I have all of my tools if I need them to help me read the passage and understand it. But now it's time for me to answer some questions. Okay, so if you notice, some new icons have appeared on our screen. So I want to click on this pencil to the left. And I get three options. I can draw or put in a text box, I can highlight, or I can underline or make line drawings. So right now I just want the text box. So I click on that, and then you can see I have options for how I want my text to look. So I can change the font, the size, the color, orientation. So I'm going to go ahead and keep everything where it's at and go to my first question. What did Sally Ride study at college? So I'm going to just click where I want my text box to go, and then you see a little square pops up with a blinking cursor. And from reading my worksheet, I know that she studied physics. I just type it in, and there it is. Now, let's say I'm going to go down here and say, what does NASA stand for? Well, I think NASA stands for National Aeronautical Space Association. Okay, so maybe before I finish and turn in my assignment, I reread the passage, I check my questions, and I realize, you know what? I spelled that wrong, because look, here's NASA right up here, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. So I want to go back and fix that. So to fix it, I could hit that X and delete the box, but instead, I'm just going to click back into that, double click back into the text box and see how I see my little blinking cursor. So I'm going to move my cursor over to my first word I need to fix. Okay, and then my next one I need to fix is going to be administration. All right. So I've completed my worksheet. I'm ready to turn it into the teacher. So before I close the tab, I want to come up here to the top where it says save. So I see that little save disk icon. Okay, so I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to save it to my Google Drive. All right, so down at the bottom, you see that it's saved my worksheet. It's ready to be turned in. So now I can close this tab. All right, so I'm going to get back to my classroom. So I'm going to close with that corner or left top corner arrow that says close. And now I'm back into my classroom where I see that assignment. So I don't need to upload anything. It's already going to do the work for me. All I have to do is click where it says turn in. And then it's going to ask if I want this attachment submitted. And yes, because that's the one I edited. So I'm going to click turn in. And that's it. Now my teacher will see my worksheet and see all of the edits and changes I made to it. Hope that helps.